Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Italian recipe chicken Madeira. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, onion, parsley, chicken broth, salt and pepper, mozzarella cheese, we have butter, asparagus, chicken breast sliced thinly, and mushroom. We have also the Madeira wine, which we're going to use for cooking this one. So let's do it. Okay, in a boiling water here, we're gonna blanch our asparagus. Okay, we'll cook this for the next 3 minutes. There we go. Our asparagus is cooked now, so we're gonna set this aside. In our cast iron here skillet, we will cook our mushroom. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter. That's gonna let it melt. Okay, our butter is melted, so we will put our onions. Okay. Give it a good stir. Let's cook the onion for 1 minute. Now we add our onions. Garlic, I'm sorry. Okay. Then put our mushroom. Okay. Add a little of ground black pepper, and a dash of salt. Cook this for the next 2 minutes or 3 minutes. But gonna put our parsley. All right. Cook this for the next 3 minutes. Now we will fry our chicken right here, our chicken breast, which we seasoned already with salt and pepper. So we'll just let the butter melt here. Alright, our butter is melted, so we're gonna fry our chicken breast. We're gonna make both sides a little bit brown. Okay. There you go. Now, from the pan where we fried our chicken, we can add 1.5 cup of Madeira wine. Okay. All right. And another half cup. Okay, there you go. We're gonna let it boil until half of the wine evaporates. So we're gonna let half of that evaporate, and after that we're gonna add beef broth. Okay. Now we're gonna add one and a half cup of cups of beef broth. All right, and we're gonna let it boil again, and we're gonna let it evaporate half of that, and then we're gonna go to the next procedure. Now we'll add some pepper, and some salt. All right, and then we will wait a couple of minutes. Now this is the right time to add half a cup of whipping cream. All right, we're gonna let it simmer, and this will make our sauce, you know, thick. All right, and let it simmer. Now our sauce is thick enough, so we can put our chicken now. Okay, and let it simmer here for a few minutes. Okay. This is the chicken that we fried a while ago. Okay, and we're gonna flip it over after 2 minutes. Now we're gonna flip this over. Okay, our oven is preheating now. We're gonna broil this for 3 minutes with our mozzarella cheese. So right now we can add our mushroom. Okay. Here we go. And then we can add also our asparagus. Wow, looks good, huh? And we'll add our asparagus. Like that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. There you go. And then we can add half cup of our cheese. Our mozzarella cheese. Before we put this into the oven. There you go. Here's our finished product, chicken Madeira with garlic bread. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.